You can order online from our website as well. It's printmyt.in, not .com, it's .in. So what are the different printing options that we cater? So the classic is screen printing, but along with screen printing we also do embroidery and direct to film, vinyl. But the type of printing method we choose depends on the type of artwork or the design that you will provide. So for different designs we need to choose different printing methods depending on the artwork. But basically we do screen printing, embroidery, sublimation printing, direct to film and vinyl. How long will your print last? So we use the best quality inks possible in the industry, and most of our prints will definitely last you for 50 plus washes. So if you are washing your t-shirt twice a month, it will still last you for 2 years. There are many factors that affect the printing quality, and one of them is the resolution of the image. We can work with a lot of file formats such as PNG file, CDR file, SVG, AI. So these are the few formats that we recommend that you have, because this will give you the best quality of print that is possible. So a lot of questions are asked around rubber printing. So basically there is no such thing as a rubber printing. There is one thing that is called as screen printing. In screen printing there are two types. One is plastisol. There are two inks with which we can print the garment. One is plastisol ink and the other one is water based ink. So usually the plastisol screen printing is called rubber printing in general terms. So we mostly use plastisol ink because it shows very bright colors and it has a very long life. For water based inks we will require a minimum of 100 quantity and we can get you a water based print. So will your screen printing come off after I wash it a few times? This is one of the questions that we are asked a lot of times. So absolutely not. All our prints will last you for 50 plus washes and they won't come off. So while t-shirts are definitely our top selling product, but we also print shirts, we also print aprons, sweatshirts, coffee mugs, bottles, pens, diaries. So we can personalize your teams, we can personalize your cricket team, your football team, your volleyball team. We can make t-shirts for all your team requirements with custom name and number in the back. So how does our pricing work? So there are 5 factors that we take in consideration when calculating your quote. The number 1 is quantity, garment style, color, ink color on front and back, and printing method. So these are the 5 things that we consider. So there is a pro tip: if you are looking to reduce the cost, try keeping colors as low as possible on your artwork. That will help you reduce a lot of cost when printing. How quickly can we deliver? Your order is dispatched in 5 to 7 days. Since we are an online e-commerce company, we cater to audience all across India. So if you require t-shirts outside of India, in some special cases we can arrange the shipment. So we do not have a minimum order quantity for round neck t-shirts. We can even customize single t-shirt in white, navy blue and black color. For rest of the t-shirts we will require a minimum quantity of 6 t-shirts. So we have all the required sizes from small size to XXL size. We can also arrange for XXL and 4XL on request. We also have kids sizing starting from age 0 to 1 year to 10 to 15 years. So customizing your t-shirt using printmyt is very simple. All you need to do is log on to printmyt.in. You can upload your design or select from our catalog of clip arts, and you can add it to cart, place the order, and within 5 to 7 days your order will be dispatched. Can we ship your order to multiple recipients or employees who are working from home? We can definitely ship order to multiple recipients across India. Printing on sleeves is definitely possible. You need to have a minimum quantity of 25 t-shirts, and we can help you get your print on sleeves as well. Can we embroider your logo? Yes, we can definitely embroider your logo. All you need to have is a minimum quantity of 6, and we can definitely embroider the logo on a t-shirt. How big can we embroider your logo? We can embroider your logo a maximum of 5 inches. 5 inches by 5 inches. How big can your design be? So if you are going for embroidery, your embroidered logo on the left chest will be around 3.5 inches. On your sleeves will be a maximum of 2.5 inches. If you are opting for print, A4 print on the round neck t-shirt, approximately 8 inches by 12 inches, and A3 print will be around 12 inches by 16 inches.